right, so today we have a set of plastic bottles with lids. I actually ordered these myself because I needed them. So Stock Your Home, I ordered a 12 count of 12 ounce plastic bottles. They're recyclable, durable, BPA free, nothing, just, you know, their logo on the side, that side, same on the back, nothing on the top or bottom. But you can put juice in these, you can put any kind of drinks in these that you may need, and that's what I bought them for. For example, when we go to the beach and I want to make drinks, I can measure out exactly how much of each drink I want and pour it into one mix to, you know, make me a drink, if you catch my drift. So, or in terms of, you know, a more family setting, these would be great for putting juice in when you're traveling or something like that. It does come with a whole set of labels, so you can put labels on each one so you know what everything is. So that's helpful. You've even got a nice funnel. I love that it came with a funnel. That's just perfect, especially for what I needed. Then we have a dozen caps here. So we'll take at least one of these out. And then these are all the bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All 12 bottles. Just to give you a look, this is what the bottles look like. They're all sealed. Very nice, clear bottle that'll hold 12 ounces of fluid. I like it. Caps seem like very good caps. They also seem pretty thick in the terms that they go on and like you're not gonna have to worry about your juice coming out. Now these are resealable. So let me show you. Once I screw this all the way on, it'll be sealed kind of like milk is. So screw it on down and there we go. This is a sealed bottle. Now, of course, whenever I want to drink it and I open it, I'm going to break the seal like so. And now it's an open bottle. So see, people would know whether it was opened or not. So it's very cool that it's completely sealed. So if you're making drinks for somebody or something like that, they would know that it wasn't really tampered with. But very nice bottle. I will definitely be using these. Love the caps, love the clarity of them. Love everything that comes inside of here, especially the funnel. I totally forgot they include a little bottle cleaner. That's literally what this is, just for cleaning down in the bottle to get everything out. Awesome that that actually comes in here. I had totally forgotten about this. So that will do it for this Stock Your Home plastic bottles with lids, 12 count of 12 ounce bottles. Again, I purchased these myself because I needed them. So I love everything that comes in here. It is exactly what I needed. So thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.